Okay, so happy Monday. So with that means there's a brand new menu plan, and I'm going to share it with you right now. So this is what I have decided for the week. And on Sunday, instead of the steaks, we had beef stroganoff, and I made corn with butter and a fresh green salad. And for Monday, pork roast in the crock pot with baby carrots and little new potatoes, and I'm going to make a salad with that. I might make bread, I might not. I'm not sure yet. And then for Tuesday, with the leftover pork roast, I'm going to make pulled pork sandwiches, and I'm going to make coleslaw, salad, macaroni and cheese, and I've got some really nice corn on the cob. And for Wednesday, I'm going to make a spaghetti bake, and I'm going to add some ricotta cheese to that and garlic bread with green beans and, of course, a salad. And then for Thursday, chicken casserole. I'm going to put together some chicken and vegetables and lots of cheese and make a white sauce, and I'm going to make a really great chicken casserole, and I'm going to make some cheese bread to go with that. And I'm going to steam some veggies. Now, I'm not sure what vegetable I'm going to cook yet. I will let you know. And of course, a salad. And then Friday is family fun night. And last week we ended up going to a Mexican restaurant. So I'm not sure where we're going to go this week. But I will let you know about that too. And it's also Starbucks Friday. And then Saturday is leftovers or takeout. Let's see, what did I make? Oh, last Saturday I made little homemade pizzas, which was fun. But this is my menu. It is a beautiful, beautiful day today. It was a beautiful day yesterday. It's supposed to be in the 90s all week. And my garden is coming right along. It's getting little flowers on it, so I should be having some fresh veggies very soon. I cut a bunch of parsley, and I'm gonna dry it in my dehydrator so I have it for a long time. So share your menu with me so I know what you're all making. Okay, I wanted to show you some of the fresh parsley that I had picked out of my garden. And it smells so good. There is nothing like growing your own vegetables and herbs, and it smells amazing. I wish y'all could smell it, but I'm gonna put this in my dehydrator. You know, you can also freeze it, and it freezes really nice too. But I wanted to show you my parsley. So y'all have a great, great week, and I have more videos coming up, and I will see you on the other side. Bye. Happy day.